In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checklist in Microsoft Planner if you want to break a task into smaller action items and make it easier to track progress. Adding a checklist in Microsoft Planner is a simple and useful way to do it. Checklists help you organize the work inside a task. So instead of treating the task as one big item, you can manage it step by step. To begin, go to your Planner board. This is the main area where your plans and tasks are displayed. Once you're on the correct board, take a moment to find the task where you want to add the checklist. This is helpful if you're working with multiple buckets or several tasks at once. Next, click on the task. Opening the task will bring up its details panel, where you can manage more than just the task title. This is where you can usually edit information like descriptions, due dates, assignments, and of course, the checklist section. Once the task is open, look for the checklist area. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a section labeled Checklist. This is the place where you can add smaller steps that need to be completed as part of the overall task. Using this section makes it much easier to keep track of progress, especially when a task includes multiple actions or dependencies. When you find the checklist section, click Add Steps and start typing your checklist item. Keep each item short and specific so it's clear what needs to be done. For example, instead of writing something broad, it's usually better to enter one concrete action per line. That makes the checklist easier to scan and complete. After typing your step, hit enter. This will add the item to the checklist. You can continue entering additional checklist items the same way if needed, one at a time. This creates a clean list of actionable steps within the task. As you work through the task later, you'll be able to check off each checklist item as it's completed, which gives you a quick visual sense of progress. This is especially useful when collaborating with a team or managing recurring processes. That's all it takes to add a checklist in Microsoft Planner. Open your board, select the task, find the checklist section, add your steps, and press enter to save each one. It's a quick feature, but it can make your task management much more organized and efficient.